All right, assume a probability a basketball player makes a three-pointer is 42%. So what's the probability he's going to make his first three-pointer on the third attempt? Okay, so since it says first, that should be telling you geometric. And all that your calculator asks you for in geometric is the probability and the x value. So exactly on the third, we're going to use PDF with a 0.42 and a 3. So 12.8%. Okay, what's the probability he makes his first shot after the fourth? So we want to be higher than the fourth. Okay, so we want to be like 5 or more. So think of 1 minus, and you want to get rid of that 4 because we want it to be higher than 4. So 1 minus geometric CDF, 0.42 comma 4. Okay, so 40.96%, or I'll just say 41%. Okay. All right, so now the problem. Change a little bit. We're still talking about the same player, but assume we know he's going to attempt 12. So we know n is 12. He might make some, he might miss some. All right, what's the mean and standard deviation? So use those formulas with 12, and still we're using the 0.42 p. So 1.71. Okay, so mean is 5, standard deviation 1.71. All right, at least 7. Some of you guys are seeing least and think it means less than. At least 7, think of that. Like you're at a game, he makes at least 7 is like him making 7 exactly or more. Calculator doesn't do that. So think of what you want to get rid of. We want to keep 7 because it's an equal. So you want to get rid of 6 or less. Does that make sense? So 1 minus binomial CDF. It's binomial because we know there's 12 attempts and we know he has a 42% chance of making, and we're going to get rid of 6 or less. And there we go, 19.6%.